Pati ka naka-apron.
Okay lang. Not great, not awesome.
Huwag ka na kumain.
Mainit ah.
Manang ganyan sa Pilipinas.
Pati ka naka-apron. Pati ka naka-apron.
Apron is for the week.
Wow.
Kita na tayo, nagturo na kasi ano eh. Tago. Yes.
So magandang shot. Ang lamig ngayon. Ay, di pala ganun kalamig. Medyo mainit daw. Sabi nila. Para sa akin, malamig pa din. Anyway. I'm gonna start filming again. Tingnan ko kung maganda tong ganitong volume ng voice. Tsaka kung tama ba yung pagtingin ko sa camera. Ito bang green dot na to ang tamang, o ito sa baba, itong white thingy. So yun na nga, ang sakit tiyan ko. Dami ko kasing kinain. Nahulog na naman ako sa aking low carb diet. Tignan mo, ito yung kinakain ko. Assorted chips. And syempre, ang effect niya, sakit ng tiyan ko yan. Bloated. Ilayin natin ng konti, masyado lapit. Yan. Pwede na yung ganyan distance, no? Pero na yung monitor ko. Ba't ganun? Hindi kita. Anyway. Ting! sound effects pa. Ayan, so kailangan ko siguro ng tripod na ganitong height. Tingnan natin. Parang ganda.
At hindi ka siya.
Daddy. Sarap? Ah, sexy. Sexy, gustuhan mo eh.
Actually, lang sauce siya.
That!
Peanut butter cookies.
Peanut butter cookies.
Yeah. Ellie and me made it.
Amoy na amoy yung peanut butter.
Yeah.
Ayusin mo ulit.
Actually, it's delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah. You don't even taste the mix. You just need to cook it.
Ay, hindi pa yan gluto.
Yeah.
Lalaki pa yan.
That's sorry. Yeah. Which one you want to take a bite? May chocolate o wala?
Yung chocolate sa ibabaw lang, no?
Yep.
Kahit ano.
Ikaw muna. Ah.
Does it taste like butter?
Peanut butter.
Yeah. It's a peanut butter cookie.
That's good.
Would you eat it like once a day?
Yeah. Thank you.
Where's Eric? Elaine, ikaw, tikman mo na.
Eric!
Yeah. What can you say about the peanut butter cookie?
Looks like a cookie.
Yeah.
I like na malambot siya.
What's it? How's it?
Ano?
Okay lang. Not great, not awesome.
Huwag ka na kumain na. Okay lang pala eh.
Alam mo na pag ano, yung mga ridges na gano'n.
Nung liquid pa kita.
Never needing to wonder where your license is again. It isn't lost or stolen, it's in your phone. A digital or mobile license with you as you move about your day.
For portability, yeah, I would like that. And because it will be more easy for us to bring our digital license rather than the physical PBC.
New Jersey is the latest state to try this out. 11 others are using mobile licenses successfully.
Wow! Ba't hindi pinuno? Hindi pinuno eh. Yay! Ito ba yung ano, isang burger, isang bun? Ah, double?
Ito yung single.
Ito pala.
Single yan.
Single burger, pero ano, two patties.
Two patties. Mainit ah.
Okay. Wow! Oh, it's hard.
Hindi ko
Wait,
ginawa.
wait, wait. Bibigyan ko yung kamay mo na tumakatok. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait. Ulit Ulit nga.
Ang natutuwang ama.
Okay then, next time we have to have frost.
Wait. Ulit Ulit nga.
Ang natutuwang ama. You need someone older, so LHW. Okay.
Alam mo na.
Hindi, iba yung nakita ko.
Alam ko na-discover mo na kung bakit ka nag-error.
Nakita ko isa pang mali. Baka naman, trickle effect yun.
Yes, possible.